Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Mohammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Daship. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a higher math class of class 9. A higher math class of class 9. Dear students, our today's topic is exercise 3.1 question 6. This is a problem. And this chapter is geometry. I will solve problem 6 from exercise 3.1. Okay, dear students, this is our 22 lecture and 16 homework, and your homework is exercise 3.1 question 3. Homework 16 is exercise 3.1 question 3. Okay, dear students, you will solve this question as your homework. Dear students, let us see question 6 at first. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, P is a point on BC. Prove that AB square minus AB square is equal to BP into PC. Okay, dear students, let us see. At first we have to draw the figure to prove this. So draw the figure at first. Here ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle, and in this triangle P is a point on BC. P is a point on BC, and AB and AC are equal. It means this is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. Suppose here AB and BC, AC are equal. Okay, dear students, we need to prove that AB square minus AP square is equal to BP into PC. AB square minus AB square minus AP square is equal to BP into PC. It means that the difference of the area of the squares drawn on AB and AP is equal to the area of the square included by BP and PC. Okay, dear students, let us see how can we prove. So to prove this, at first we have to write the given information as special nomination. So we can write here given information at first. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. P is a point on BC. P is a point on BC. It is required to prove that AB square minus AP square is equal to BP into PC. BP into PC. We need to prove this. Okay, dear students, to prove this we need some construction here. Okay, see the construction here. So at first draw a perpendicular AD. Draw a perpendicular AD on BC, and then join AP. Dear students, as AD is perpendicular to BC and AB and AC are equal, it means as this is an isosceles triangle, so AD bisect BC. So we can say from this BD equal to CD. From this we can say as AD bisect BC, we can say BD equal to DC. So we can write the information here. AD bisect BC at D. We can write the information here. Okay, dear students, now see, I am going to write the construction what I have drawn here for the proof. So we can write construction. Here the construction is draw AD perpendicular BC, and join AP. Draw AD perpendicular to BC and join AP, the point A and P. Join AP. Construction is done. Now we need to prove. So we can write here proof now. Dear students, this proof is very easy. You can understand easily here. Now if you see the figure here, ABD is a right angle triangle where angle ADB is one right angle or 90 degree. As this is a right angle triangle, we know the theorem of Pythagoras. So if we apply that, from that we will get the square drawn on the hypotenuse. It means AB square is equal to sum of the area of the square drawn on other two sides. It means that AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So we can write here in triangle. In first step we can write in triangle ABD, triangle ABD, angle ADB is equal to one right angle, one right angle. So by the theorem of Pythagoras, we get, what will we get? We'll get the square drawn on the hypotenuse means AB. So we can write here AB square. That will be equal to the square drawn on other two sides. Here other two sides are AD and BD. So we can write AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. We can give this as equation 1. Suppose this is equation 1. Now consider another triangle APD. Why we need to consider the triangle APD? Now see, we need to determine AP square. We have determined AB square. Now we need AP square. As we need AP square, so we have to consider the triangle APD. And this triangle is also a right angle triangle. So we can write here step 2, that is in triangle APD, angle ADP is equal to one right angle. One right angle. So by the theorem of Pythagoras, by the theorem of Pythagoras, we get what we will get. Now see the triangle APD. Here angle D is right angle, so AP is the hypotenuse. So we can write AP square is equal to AD square plus PD square. So we can write here AP square is equal to AD square plus PD square. AD square plus PD square. This is equation 2. Suppose this is equation 2. Now see what we need to prove. AB square minus AP square. So if we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we will get AB square minus AP square. So we can subtract here. Step 3. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get what we will get. Now subtract left side from left side, so you will get AB square minus AP square, AB square minus AP square, and we have to subtract right hand side from right hand side, as right hand side is here AD square plus BD square, and here the right hand side is AD square plus PD square. So AD square will be negative here, and PD square will be also negative, PD square. Now we can write here AD square is positive, AD square is negative, so these two vanishes each other. Now BD square minus PD square remaining, BD square minus PD square, so we can write here BD square minus PD square. Dear students, now see, we need to prove this? No, we need to prove BP into PC. So to prove this, we can apply a technique here. We need BP and PC, BP and PC, but we have BD and PD, BD and PD. So we have to convert BD and PD into BP and PC. To convert this, we can apply the formula here. Suppose this is BD means A and PD means B. This is A square minus B square. So we can apply the formula, that is A plus B into A minus B. So we can write BD plus PD into BD minus PD. So what can we get from this? BD plus PD. Dear students, we need PC. We need PC. How can we get PC? If we calculate here, from this one we will get BP. We will get BP. BD minus PD. BD minus PD. It means that we have to subtract PD from this total. So we will get BP. So we will get, in this case, we will get BP. But we need PC now. How can we get PC? To get PC, we need PD and CD. We need PD and CD, but we have BD and PD. So we have to convert BD into CD. We have to convert BD into CD. How can we convert? Dear students, at first I have written as ABC is an isosceles triangle and AD is perpendicular to BC. So AD bisect BC at D. AD bisect BC at D. It means BD and CD are equal. It means BD and CD are equal. So using this information, we can write here CD in the place of BD. So we can replace BD by CD. So we can write here CD plus PD. So CD plus PD, and from this one we get, from this one we get BP. Now we can see the figure. PD plus CD, it means CD plus PD means PC. CD plus PD means PC. So from the figure we can write PC into BP, and we can give a side note here as AD bisect, as AD bisect BC at D. So BD is equal to CD. So for this we can replace BD by CD and we will get CD plus PD. CD plus PD, if we see in the figure, CD plus PD, this total will be PC, and BD minus PD means BP. So we can write here BP. So we can write here, therefore AB square minus AP square is equal to BP minus BP into PC, BP into PC. Okay, dear students, now see the proof. This is BP into PC. It means the proof is done. So we can write here proved. Dear students, I hope you have understood how to solve this question, and you will solve question 3 from exercise 3.1 as your homework. This is your homework 16. Do your homework properly. Submit your homework on next Saturday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.